See student, in exercise 13.6, question number 1, they have written that the circumference of the base of a cylindrical vessel is 132 centimeter and its height is 25 centimeter. They have given the circumference of the base of a circular cylinder, okay, and then they are telling that height is 25 centimeter. How many liters of water can it hold in it? Means how many liters of water it can hold. So what they have given, basically they have given this circumference of the base. Okay, so we will see according to the question, or we will look to the solution. So what we are going to do it, when we will write the solution, we will write circumference of the base of cylindrical vessel. So when the vessel is cylindrical, but when we see the base, it is circular, and circumference. So what we will write according to the question, what they have given, we will start from that only. Okay, circumference of the base. अब जो circumference of the base is how much? 132 centimeter, and circumference, तो base is circular, तो formula क्या होता है इसका? 2 pi r is equals to 132 centimeter. It's easily understood कि they have not given the radius directly. उन्हें सीधे radius नहीं दिया, उन्हें circumference of the base दिया. तो पहले तो this is given in the question, we will copy as it is. फिर इसके सामने we will write the formula, then we will transpose accordingly. The radius will be like here 132 centimeter upon 2 into, ये पाई इधर आ जाएगा. पाई के लिए हमें everybody knows that कि पाई की वैल्यू होती है 22/7. तो आप डायरेक्टली इसको यहाँ पे भी ट्रांसपोज कर सकते हैं. तो r इज इक्वल्स टू 132 सेंटीमीटर अपॉन 2 इंटू और इंटू, क्योंकि जो यहाँ पे 22/7 होगा तो 7 तो ऊपर चला जाएगा एंड डाउन साइड विल कम 22. अगर आपको यहाँ पे दिक्कत हो तो यू कैन राइट हियर द वैल्यू 22/7 एंड देन ट्रांसपोज, द आंसर विल कम सेम. और फिर हम इसको टेक्निकली सॉल्व करेंगे तो वी विल गेट रेडियस इज इक्वल्स टू 21 सेंटीमीटर. सॉल्व इट प्रॉपरली, ये 2a कैंसिल हो जाएंगे इजीली. डू द कैलकुलेशन प्रॉपरली, एट लास्ट वी विल गेट द रेडियस एज 21 centimeter. Now in question they are telling height, they have given height is already given in the question, is 25 centimeter. How many liters of water it can hold, इसके अंदर कितना पानी आ सकता है, they are talking about that. मतलब कोई क्वांटिटी किसमें कितनी स्टोर हो सकती है. तो for that obviously we will find the volume. Okay, so we will use, now I'm bending it down, we will use the formula for capacity. अगर हमें किसी चीज़ की निकालनी है तो we will use the formula for volume. तो we will write here volume of cylinder, because the object is in the shape of cylinder, so we will write the volume of cylinder. Okay, so volume of cylinder, the formula will be pi r square h. Now we will put the values. So pi की जगह तो 22/7, in place of r 21 will come, so 21 centimeter into 21 centimeter into, in place of h I have underlined, question में दिया हुआ है h is 25 centimeter. अब now we will solve it. तो 7 1 और ये चला जाएगा 7 3 multiply all the numbers very properly and you will get the answer. Okay, what answer you are going to get? You will get 3 4 6 5 0 centimeter cube. Okay, cross check it again. Now it is coming in centimeter cube, but in question whenever there is capacity they are asking, so this answer which we are getting in centimeter cube we will try to convert that into liter, and when we will try to convert it into liter, obviously we have to multiply. So they have given there 1 liter is equals to 1000 centimeter cube. Okay, so we will use the same unit to get the unit. So first we can write here, I'll write from here. Okay, so whatever is then, how many liters of water can it hold? So water, yeah, quantity of water we can write, quantity of water it can hold, जो ये hold कर सकता है, is equals to 34650 upon, you will divide it by 1000 to get the answer into liters. You will divide it by 1000 to get the answer in liters. तो अगेन 0 से 0 कैंसिल हो जाएगा, और 2 zeros है तो डेसिमल 2 डिजिट्स के बाद, तो आंसर आ जाएगा 34.65 liters. लास्ट लाइन everyone will write it by yourself, you can do it. Thus the quantity of water which it can hold is 34.65 liters.